Hello and welcome back to the AutoCAD lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be going over through the offset option in modifying objects. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's first of all create a polyline, create a shape of any desired shape you have, and that's it. We have a shape here. So the offset is simply you choose the object you would like, and then you choose the distance, and then select the object to offset, and there you go. You could offset it by outside or the inside. Since we don't have enough sufficient inside area, we'll just go by 10 here, and we will have a offset inside of this object. As you can see, sorry, let me choose everything, and as you can see, this is our whole object offset. So you may find a difficulty in this. So for example, let's draw a square or rectangle with a lines. So I would like you to stop and pause a minute and tell me, what do you think will happen when I try to offset this rectangle? So let's choose an offset distance, let's choose the author, and let's choose the object. Look, you see the problem here is that this set of lines is not an object. It's a set of lines, and every line is for themselves. You might find this problem. This is no problem, however, because in this lesson as well, I'm going to show you how you could join items. So let me press Ctrl C, and let me go back to the modification. Let me click the arrow here so I can find more options, and let me click the join button. Let me select the area here, pardon me, select the area and click enter, and you are good to go. Now if I try to offset again, choose the orthogs, everything. So if I try to offset again, as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. And you could also choose the distance here by modifying it, and you will successfully offset an object. So we could actually like offset more and more. And you could also, if we go ahead here and move a little bit, draw a line, you could also offset a line by itself. We've seen that when we're trying to do the example of the square right there, and you could also see that it's going to be parallel. That's it for today's lesson. I hope to see you in another lesson.